I'm still shaking all the way down. Yes, sir. I got out of my bed, and I went out in the back. I was on the deck, me and my dog, and I cleaned out my window in the back, and I heard all the commotion. And when I came back to the deck, I just dropped down on my knees and crawled all the way from the window all the way in the house and grabbed my phone and called 911. And by the time I made it around here to the front crawling, I see the guy out the truck. I said, "You all right?" And he went down too. And I went down. I get in. Then all of a sudden he went back around the truck and I called 911. I was calling 911 while I was crawling from my bedroom to the living room. Yes, sir. I heard a lot of racket. And when I turned around to walk up my steps, I just went down, the truck was already in the house. It was already in the house. And my dog that had ran off the deck and she was in her cage. By the time I got in the house, I couldn't do nothing but crawl, and got to my phone off the bed and dialed 911. It was coming straight to my bedroom right here. Oh, Lord. I'm still scared. I'm shaking.